everyone, and welcome to 32 Skylark Street in Coolum Beach, a home with wide open living spaces and high ceilings, stunning views of the Sunshine Coast hinterland, your very own pool and outdoor entertaining area, and something that's on everybody's wish list, secondary street access to be able to store all of your toys. Let's take a look inside. Thanks so much for watching. If you can see yourself living here, why not give us a call? We'll give you your own private tour. Otherwise, we'll see you at the next open home.